6 is Inshira.
A round of applause for Inshira. She comes in 6th.
She is getting a 2,000 Ghana cedis cash prize, an educational tablet, Indomie worth 500, and hampers from our sponsors.
Inshira gets the products from Indomie,
Jojo, please hold on.
Cowbell,
the presentation is going to
Fan
be done
Choco,
by
Vitamilk,
Mrs.
and
Ruth
Flora
Asiedu.
tissues.
Mrs. Ruth Asiedu, please come forward. She is receiving cash prize of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Please give it up for Inshira. Thank you, Mrs. Ruth. Thank you, Mrs. Ruth. Now the fifth presentation is going to be done by Calvin Stevens, Marketing Manager of Flora Tissues. Judges.
Who comes in 5th?
Are you ready?
We are ready.
It is...
Drum roll, please.
Okay. And it is...
DJ
Planet. Planet comes in 5th.
Position.
Wow.
And he gets a 1,000 Ghana cedis cash
Congratulations,
prize.
DJ Planet.
Give it up for DJ Planet. He gets an educational tablet, Indomie worth 500, and hampers from our sponsors. Thank you so much.
He gets products from Indomie, Cowbell, Fan Choco, Vitamilk, and Flora tissues.
Thank you. You can go backstage.
Thank you so much, DJ Planet.
So you can go
Catch you backstage. Now
the
judges,
4 remaining contestants,
please come
move
forward.
to your side a bit.
Yes.
Move to your side a bit.
Judges.
Okay, hold on. Arrange yourselves. Yeah. Spacing, yes. Have you taken a close look at them? We have Clevesta the poet, Nyamedom, Ezvene Burner, and Tadi Aketesia. Well, the third runner-up, the presentation is going to be done by Mr. Solomon Arthur, the sales manager of Vitamilk. Now, judges.
Who is our third runner-up?
The lady with a smile, Nyamedom!
Coming in as 4th. Thank you. Mr. Solomon Arthur, please kindly do the presentation for us. She gets a 4,000 Ghana cedis cash prize, an educational tablet, Indomie worth 500, and hampers from our wonderful, wonderful sponsors. Please give it up for Nyamedom once again. Okay, judges. Second runner-up. This is 3rd position. Obedience. Judges, please, who is the second runner-up?
You know the second runner-up has surprised all of us.
Really?
Yes, because from day 1, we didn't expect this, and she grew with
so it's a
passion.
she.
Yes.
Okay.
She grew with passion, and ladies and gentlemen, it's Clevesta.
Yeah! Make some noise for Clevesta the poet. Whoa, with her hands in the air. And the presentation is going to be done by Mrs. Christabel Laye, Assistant Brands Manager of Fan Milk Ghana. Please come and do the presentation for us. This is the Assistant Manager of Fan Milk Ghana. She gets a cash prize of 6,000, an educational tablet, Indomie worth 500, and hampers from our sponsors. Thank you so much, Madam Christabel Laye. Thank you, Clevesta. Now,
okay,
we have
judges. Calm down. Thank you very much.
Please, we have
Thank you very much.
Look at them closely. We have
Tadi Aketesia and Ezvene Burner.
Tadi Aketesia. So please, judges,
if you mention our winner, we know our first runner-up.
But first, let's take the first runner-up.
Please calm down for us.
Please, let's take the first runner-up. Judges, let's take the first runner-up. So,
drum roll.
Position. So, drum roll. Auntie Paulina wants the drum roll. Everybody, hit
drum roll.
Maria.
We want the winner, judges. We want the winner. Please mention the winner for us.
Okay.
Yes.
Judges,
we want to know the winner now. Yes.
So you.
Thank you.
So can I mention the runner-up?
No, we want the winner. The
winner.
Yes, we want the winner. Thank you.
Well, the presentation for the first runner-up is going to be
Settle down for us.
All right.
Settle down.
Here we go.
Okay,
so the winner, judges. Quiet, everyone, please.
Okay, but the presentation
for
the winner, the presentation for the winner is going to be done by Mr. Francis Doku, General Manager of MGTV. Yes, he is going to do the presentation for us. And a dummy check by Mr. Aske from Indomie. Whoa, Ezvene Burner. Mr. Francis. Whoa, Mr. Francis.
Well, Ezvene Burner is supported by Amrado Burner. Congratulations, Ezvene.
Well, Mr. Francis Doku, can you please do the presentation for us? Well, okay, now the winner can pause. Thank you, Mrs. Francis Doku. You do that presentation for us again. Mr. Francis Doku.
Thank you very much. Now we would like to present the first runner-up before that, okay? Thank you very much, Your Highness. We would like to present the first runner-up first. Okay.
Now the first runner-up presentation is going to be done by Mr. Chachu Hajo.